Okay, so we're going to do the dancing rice science experiment. What you need is baking soda. I'm holding the baking soda, and you need, of course, a tablespoon and a quarter cup. Also, you need this, which is like a jar that you kind of put the stuff in. This is your kind of mixing jar. But what I'm using is bowls. So, yeah, I put some stuff in the bowls. Like my parents helped me put vinegar in the bowl, and then I just spooned it in. So then I have my spoons and my cups. So here we have a quarter cup right here. Of course, our spoons, and the tablespoon is the biggest. So what I do is I take all the spoons and see which fits in which, like this. So what I'm doing is I'm just taking my spoons and I'm gonna just see this is the biggest one, which means it's a tablespoon. First, we're gonna start with putting in some water and then this mason jar. No, not this jar. Alright, I think this is good.
Yeah.
So here I have my water.
1/3 of the water.
Yeah. So first thing I'm gonna do is I'll put in the rice first. Actually, I'm gonna put in the rice first. Okay, so I have a bowl of rice, and I'm just gonna scoop it up. Try to fill it up. So you need the rice, and this is brown rice, by the way. You can't use white rice. Okay. So put it in. Okay. Done. Okay, so next we have a tablespoon and our baking soda. Alright, so here's the baking soda. I'm going to come down on the floor for this. I'll be back with the baking soda. Oh, and I'm going to take a bowl with me down here. So I'm down on the bottom right now. And I have my baking soda. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take this, open it. This is the big spoon. We saw that earlier. And then we're just going to... Alright, so now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take this spoon and then put it in my bowl. Alright, so now that the baking soda is in my bowl, I'm going to put my spoons up shelf, and then I'm going to come up, taking my baking soda bag, and putting it aside, and then I'm going to come up on top to put in my baking soda. So I'm going to just have it in. Alright, so this is a spoon to mix with. Alright, so make sure to have a spoon and then just mix it until it dissolves. Put your hand inside and see if it dissolves. Alright, make sure you don't get any water out of there. Alright, yeah, it's all dissolved. Alright. Tap it and then put your spoon right here. We won't be needing it anymore. And then all we need is our vinegar. Alright. It's already fizzing in there because I had the baking soda and the tablespoon. So I'm actually going to let this fizz. It's already fizzing. Alright, now that I've kind of fizzed out, I'm going to dump it in here so that I can fizz. As you can see, the rice is dancing. Dancing rice. And my mom's going to put some food coloring in here too. Alright, there we go. Woo! Yeah.
So now you put the food color.
Yeah, so my parents put in the food color, and now it's time for the big one. Okay, I'm just going to pour it in little by little. And as you can see, it's starting to bubble up and starting to dance. it's dancing. Yeah, so this is dancing rice. If you want to feel it, you can just feel it. Because I'm going to feel it because I can't see it. Yeah, and at the bottom, it's nice. It's fine. It's fun. I like it. Yeah, and you can feel it on your hands too. It's moving up and down, left and right. And you can even hold some too. Try to catch some. I got some. You can wiggle your hand in there. Yeah, and yeah. You can watch and you can touch.